And welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip Flop Life. And today's free training episode. Once again, I'm on a roll. I've been doing this for the fifth day straight, giving you free value, full of value, and trying to get you to get started, kick started in this online making money, online game thing. Okay, so basically, the whole process of this training is to show that you can become a product creator for anything. And we can do this in items like t-shirts. We can do this with jewelry. We can do with a lot of things. You can own your own business. I'm going to show you how you can do this, how you can actually create a product that will sell. And it's your job is to go out and figure out what is selling right now and recreate something that's similar and then put it out there. I'm going to show you how you can do it alone, how you can build your own e-commerce store for free, totally free. You won't be paying anything, and you'll have this store actually send the stuff, your items that you created, that you don't even need stock. You just put a price point. GearBubble gets their share, you get full share, whatever. And I'm going to show you how you're going to be doing it. So before I get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. If you have any objections, ask your questions, I always get back. And make sure you watch this video to the end. You're going to appreciate the value that I'm about to give you. It's a step-by-step process. Watch what I do. So first, you're going to want to come into GearBubble and you want to sign up. It's free to sign up. You create your account, and in GearBubble, you can come in and create different types of t-shirts. You can create mugs. You can try out so many things. It's unreal, okay? And it's free. And it's really free. You don't pay for any delivery. You don't do anything other than create the design or going out and finding what's working and recreating it. And I'll show you how you're going to be recreating it. You can sell jewelry. You can just do whatever you want. So basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come into GearBubble and you're going to go to launch a campaign. All right. And we'll just go with a traditional campaign. You can launch a store. They build a store for you. All you have to do is throw in your products and you're good to go. You have a link that you can provide it and create it. In GearBubble, there's an option of creating all these products. Basically, a coffee mug. You don't create it, you just create the design. A shirt, you create the design. Pillowcase, design. All you have to do is just give your own design. And it's so simple. There's jewelry. And these are high valued perceived jewelry. You can make a lot of good money from these. Okay. So what we're going to do is just create a simple t-shirt. All right. A simple t-shirt that I'm pretty sure it's going to sell. Okay. And you're going to come here, you're going to choose a t-shirt, and you're going to go to next step. Okay. So in the next step, it's going to take you through the design process. It's very simple. I'm going to show you how we're going to be creating it without hiring anybody. It's all free. In the meantime, I want you to sign up to Canva. It's a create your free account and get started here. And before you go do anything, just put t-shirts on Canva. Okay, so we'll go t-shirt, and here we go. Now there's some really cool stuff that I can start playing around with. But before I do, let's find what is selling right now. Now, in the GearBubble section, and now the option is to choose what kind of t-shirt you want. You can go unisex, women's, hoodie, all these options, okay? You see them all here. So let's just do a unisex t-shirt just so I can show you how this all works. You can choose a color, the base cost. If you put it down to $22.50, you make $13 per sale. You can put it at $17, you can put it at $18, you still make $9 per sale. The rest is being taken care of from GearBubble. Easy stuff, easy to understand. Anybody can do this, okay? And I'm going to show you how you're going to be doing this yourself. Next stop is to actually go to Etsy. And why am I going to Etsy? It's one of the most popular platforms where people sell their t-shirts, custom-made t-shirts, things that sell. So once you're in Etsy, you're not even needing an account here. Just come here and go to, like, for example, top customer reviews. Okay, and let's see what they have here for us. Horror movie sweatshirt. I'm gonna find something that's niche based. So I'm gonna put like dogs. I want something that has to do with dogs. And I'm gonna see bracelet with your pet, Milo. Okay, dogs and horses make me happy. So what I'm looking for is something that either has a quote, a, um, a design that I can maybe recreate. Easily distracted by dogs. Okay. Lord of the Dogs. Let me break it down a bit. So I just went into a dog t-shirt option in the filters, and we can also do the filters, and we can go, basically what I'm looking for is what's been selling lately and the most let's go Etsy pick, Etsy seller. Okay, this is something easy that you can create. You can create this as well. Peace, love, and dogs. All right. Now, if we look at this, all right, we can see that this is 760. This is 27. That's a sweatshirt. I just want all the dogs. Most recent. Less people, more dogs. Dogs and books and coffee. So this could be sub-niched. I'm also getting people with book, that they love books and coffee. Dogs, books, and coffee. Dogs and horses make me happy. Okay. Let me get more of these. Okay, so we're getting better here. Now, right here, we can see that there's all these reviews based on these, 0 wolves given, okay? 0 wolves given, I like this. You know what I like about people? They're dogs. It's okay if you don't like dogs, no one. Okay, all right. So, let's say I wanted to recreate something that's similar to this, okay? So, I'm gonna think outside the box, and I'm gonna actually maybe make this better. So I'm gonna use ChatGPT to help me create this for me. So basically what I'm gonna say is, hey, I want to recreate a slogan or a quote just like this. Okay, so why did the dog sit in the shade? He didn't want to become a hot dog. So I found this funny. Could you recreate a few more of the same type of jokes so I can design on a t-shirt? Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT to take that and get me something that maybe is the same, but it's giving me all these things that are for various things. So I want you to focus on dog funny jokes or quotes. Okay, so we got one that's really cool. Okay. Why did the war? Okay, so we can create all these different ones for this. Now you're gonna say, how are you gonna recreate all this? So basically, I'm gonna create the first one. So I'm gonna come into Canva. Okay, and I'm gonna put dog t-shirt. Let's see what it brings up with. Okay. Let's see. I'm going through the process of why did the dog sit by the computer? Dog, let me put computer. and t-shirt. So I'm going to choose one of these templates right here. So I'll just choose this simple one. And I'll move into the creation process just with a single one. So first I'm going to say, why did the dog sit by the computer? So I'm just creating a simple design, okay? And you can see it right here on the right, how this would look on a t-shirt. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, and it's something that could probably sell, but I can create many of those. So what I'm gonna do right now is I took the design and I'm gonna go ahead and download. I'm gonna do transparent, and I'm gonna hit and click on download. It's that simple. I just created something out of the blue from something that I found that I recreated and making it, you know, just testing out things. So the next step for me is to come in here and upload my design. And basically I'm going to take this design. Okay, I'm putting it here, and then I'm going to just make it bigger so I can make it fit. And then I can play around with the colors and see what actually might look good to use. And these ones are pretty cool. Okay. So I can use another color. Now, the base cost is $18. I make $9 per sale. Maybe I can do it $17.50. $8 a sale. This is called and everything. I'm going to go to the next step where I put my campaign title, the category. So this is animals, tags, dogs, dog t-shirt, dog computer, dogs, computers, mouse, whatever. Okay, we can put it to run for 6 days. You can make it, you know, dog sits. Okay, we're gonna put a name so that this might be taken. Okay, we're good. And you can see the profit review of everything. You know, if you start selling 250, it gives you an estimated profit of the amount that you're gonna be adding right here. So again, I'll put whatever price I want to make any. It's up to you to send the traffic, okay? And then I'm just gonna click on launch campaign. So right now it's launching my campaign, and in just a second I'm gonna have a link where I can send traffic to it. So here it is. Okay, so this is my new t-shirt that I just created, not using nothing but what's working right now. And then if somebody wanted to buy it, they can go and check out with a credit card. I do nothing with this, so somebody can come in and purchase it, and I'm gonna make like $11 per sale. It's up to me to send the traffic to this. The whole process of sending traffic is through traffic sources like Bing ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, having your site get ranked on Google. I did a training yesterday on how you can build an affiliate site. We've built an affiliate site yesterday that has to do with the Barky Dog Boutique, where I can start creating posts based on these t-shirts if I wanted to on my actual website. Okay, so this is the site that I built yesterday, and from here, and I showed you with free training, and from here I can add these things on my website through posts or whatever I need to do. Okay, so I still need to fix and create and all that stuff. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this free training on how you can go out and actually start selling your own items through other ideas that you might be finding online. You don't necessarily need to copy and paste. You can recreate based on the same idea of what these other people are doing and selling. Now you can take these t-shirts and actually sell them on Etsy as well. You can do dropshipping. You can put them on Amazon. There's so many things that you can do from the GearBubble fulfillment network that they have and everything else. You can have your own little store. You can do all these great stuff in there. It's pretty awesome. Okay. And for example, I have a store where it's called the Pop Gift Shack, and it's provided by GearBubble. It's hosted by GearBubble. I'm not paying for any fees. My stuff is out there. It's just they all win. They win, you win from items that you're selling. So there's some stuff here that I'm selling, that I have, etc. Okay, so this is what a simple store would look like. All right, you can do from mugs, hoodies, phone covers, and so much more. I hope you enjoyed this training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification for more of these videos, and I'll talk to you in the next video.